DJM TV.
Naija Pipo don't cry come out sake of say petrol price for inside Naija don knack 212 naira pogri. Correct country people, how e be for una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when it be say the time now when it be say una take the look us on top our day-to-day tori yarns on top our sabi TV station when be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha, una country brother. Na me wan yarn una the tori as e take the shele for inside Naija for inside this time. Yes, before the tori, abeg we wan beg una make una watch this video when it concern the tori when we wan yarn for una this time.
We have got the opportunity to serve again for additional 4 years, and Nigerians will know the difference.
DJM TV.
Good day, everyone. See, I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all. Guys, you know that yesterday I bought, I think I bought about 50 liters of fuel, and for a certain cool amount, they have been selling. Yes. Now, waking up this morning, hearing the new fuel price, I had to rush down to this fuel station you're seeing opposite here now to get fuel. That's what I got yesterday. Now, do you know that immediately they have changed the price to 210 naira? That's what they're selling for now. But guess what? If they reduce this price of fuel, now you see that these same fuel stations don't reduce the price immediately. But once they announce that there is an increase in price, you see them increase the price immediately. So what is really wrong with this country? That is why people can even enter under the ship with risk to travel out of this country. It's not fair at all. The citizens spend hard-earned money unnecessarily without regulation. It's really not fair, guys. It's really not fair. If you have experienced this, I think we should all speak out to this.
DJM TV.
Okay, oh, they bring the altruism argument. We all have to sacrifice before we have to suffer before we enjoy. Okay, fine. 145 naira per liter is not the same sacrifice for me as it is for General Buhari. I'm sorry. 145 naira per liter to me is not the same sacrifice as Ambode. It's not the same sacrifice as Fashola. It's not the same sacrifice as any rich man in this country. It's not the same sacrifice as Otedola is going to make. If Otedola is buying fuel at 145, it's not affecting him the way it's affecting me. Otedola can buy fuel for 14,500 per liter. It still will not affect him. It is in Forbes. He's a billionaire in dollars. So how can you say we are all sacrificing when the impact is on some people more than others? Sacrifice should be even. Sacrifice should be equal. Now, all these people with this billion dollar, according to Forbes, what are they added to our society? What did they bring to this society? Nothing. Everybody has made their $1 billion of signature in the name of the people of Nigeria. It is in the name of the people of Nigeria that signatures were signed on different papers for them to become whatever that they are today. It is not by them bringing something to the people of Nigeria. They didn't impact in our society in any way. They have extracted what they have. One of them, none of them, from Dangote to the last one in the list, none of them can say, hey, this is what I brought into society. No, they are extractors. Let all of us who have benefited from Nigeria, to the extent that we have benefited, sacrifice. You cannot benefit $20 billion from Nigeria and say that me that have benefited only 2,000 naira, 20,000 naira from Nigeria to sacrifice the same as you. And then the government comes out to stamp that as policy. And then you tell me NSC striking is wrong. When you say protest is wrong, and you try to justify. There's no justification, especially in Africa, for any kind of. I mean, even go to America. America is in $1 trillion of debt. They've never touched any one of their subsidies. They are bringing right up about Saudi Arabia. That Saudi Arabia has increased price of fuel because there's economic hardship. If Saudi Arabia has increased price of fuel, can you pay me the salary Saudi Arabia is paying their workers? Pay me Saudi Arabia worker salary and see if I care whether you increase fuel to 500. Just pay me what they earn in Saudi Arabia every week, every month, and increase fuel to 500. I will smile with you. In fact, that's what NSC should be doing. We want the price to go 500 per liter but we want Saudi Arabia salary. This is the argument. I mean, since they brought Saudi Arabia into the argument, let's use Saudi Arabia. Take the fuel now. Forget 145. Take the fuel direct to 500. But give everybody Saudi Arabia salary and Saudi Arabia welfare for unemployed. Let's go that way. Then there will be no problem. This is Saudi Arabia's protection when they increase the fuel. I thought they did not even know that the fuel money has increased. They did not even know. They won't even know. How will you know? How will you know? How? That count, beku, dollar money, everything full everywhere. I mean, do you want to? I mean, come on. Let's not even go there. I mean, the comparisons are senseless. Nigeria can only be compared to Nigeria. The only thing we can use to compare outside.
DJM TV.
Did you hear that price of fuel might increase? They might increase from 145 to 175 or 180.
Will that stop the shortage of fuel?
Okay, if it will, would you mind?
I'm asking, if they increase the price of the pump price, will that make it available?
I don't know.
It's a question you and me have to answer. You know where we started? You know where we are? They keep on increasing that fuel will be available, fuel will be available. Now it is not available. Now if we agree that it should go up now, is that an assurance that the fuel will continue to be available?
No. So if they say fuel will be available, if they increase the price, what do you think?
Have we not been paying high prices for things we can get? Yes. Tomato is high, rice is high. Did we not buy? Nigerians are, we are very, very docile people. Just make us comfortable. We can pay the price. You understand me? But the government is not making things available, making things difficult. Even with your money, you cannot get what you want. You see your generation, how they are spoiling Nigeria. My generation, they were fuel. There was
Generation is spoiling Nigeria.
Oh yes, come on.
How are we?
Oh, young men like you can't handle. That's why you went to the village to bring old people like us to come and run the government for you.
I didn't do that.
Huh?
I didn't do that.
Your generation did that. I thought we were moving forward with the past president. Now you went to the village to bring a retired man.
I went to the village to bring him.
Yes, your generation went to the village to bring them. All right? Man should be having his rest. What indices has he? What time has he to Google and know what is happening everywhere? Any more questions, sir?
None. None.
So,
Thank you, sir.
if you love this country, right? If you love this country, come out and do politics and save.
People, una welcome back. Now the Tory proper as it takes shele. Now one nakuna so. After many up when the Nigeria National Petrol Corporation, when country people they call NNPC, don't give to Naija people, say them no go increment petrol price. The Petrol Product Price Regulation Agency, when it be PPPROA, don't yan say them plan say make the pogiri for when filling station go they use they sell petrol for inside Nigeria, make it be 212 naira 6 kobo pogiri for 1 liter. This one now be the Petrol Product Price Regulation Agency PPPROA yan come out as them they do announcement for the pogiri price plan for the month when it be say it be March. The PPROA yan say the price now based on the pogiri when it be say then take the big petrol enter Nigeria sake of say where they get them from and where they for the refiner for outside the country. Inside the matter so the main opposition political party when be People's Democratic Party when country people know as PDP for inside Nigeria don yarn their bitter mind for the matter. The People's Democratic Party PDP yarn say the increasement of the petrol by the presidio Buhari and im All Progressive Congress APC government na direct call for all Naija people to come out come protest against wetin dem dey do for inside the country. The PDP yarn say the plan na to push the Naija people go reach war sake of say e go make the gbege when e be say e don dey grow for inside Naija pipo mind worse and fit come cause serious economic and social gbege for inside the country. So therefore, the plan to increment the pogri for petrol to 212 naira 6 kobo pogri for 1 litre show say the APC government no get sorry heart for Naija pipo at all. The main opposition party come here and join say na open and clear matter say Naija pipo no go fit survive the petrol increment. The party come still yarn say if the country get government when e be say e stand for truth and dem dey opudential for the way when e be say dem take the production the petrol and even dey bring am come out for country people to buy, the price for petrol no suppose pass 70 naira pogri for 1 litre. According to the party talk man when him name be Mr. Kola Ologbediyan, as im dey yarn with tori pipo for inside the talk meeting when e be say im do with tori pipo, im yarn say this wayo increment for petrol price na arrange when e be say the All Progressive Congress ogas dem do to take dey use wayo and GBT take dey collect billions of pogri comot from Naija pipo hand every day. The party come yarn say Naija pipo don bear plenty suffer for the hand of the wayo All Progressive Congress government wey no get sorry heart for Naija pipo. For im mouth, the party talk man when im name be Kola Ologbediyan yarn say our party don first yarn come out say na more than 100 million pipo of Naija na im dey live for inside serious poverty and more than 23% of dem no get work and many of dem even dey live with pogri wey no even reach 500 naira for a day, especially as e be say the APC ogas dem no fit come out come show how more than 15 trillion naira pogri take vanish comot from inside the bank aza when e be say dem put am come vanish enter inside their pocket. The People's Democratic Party come advise the All Progressive Congress wey be APC and all the people wey e be say dem get hand for inside their government to stop the plan to take increment the petrol price, especially for inside this time when e be say Naija pipo want make the petrol price come down and so that they go fit dey use am take dey do wetin they wan use am do, whether na to buy for inside their motor or even put am for inside their generator sake of say light kpakpa dem no still dey see. For the PDP talk man mouth as im dey give the informate, we beg all Naija pipo make dem cool their temper but make dem dey alert and get ready to follow the law when democracy give dem to take the stand up and rescue and even gbege for our national property when e be say na everybody when e dey for Naija na im get am. Im come yarn say Naija as a country na the thing when e be say everybody for inside Naija na im get hand for inside the matter. E no good say some people go just wake up come dey take the kind decision when e be say e no go well for everybody when e dey for inside Naija. As the price petrol increment matter dey go, the Petrol Product Price Regulation Agency when e be PPRA don make U-turn as e be say they don put their mouth for revise sake of say the announcement when they bin make before go concern the price increment of petrol for inside Naija. Remember say dem bin make one announcement early momo for on Friday when be the 12th of March 2021, but before evening they don put their mouth for revise sake of say the increment of petrol when they bin now put for 212 naira 6 kobo as the way they take put am for their website. But before this evening dem don remove am quick sake of say the bitter mind and the condemnate when e be say they come dey get from Naija pipo as they begin hear the informate wey go concern the price increment. Again, the minister for petrol for inside Naija when e be say im name na Mr. Timipre Silva and the Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation when be NNPC don come out to come yarn say the petrol price increment when e be say the PPPRA bin now come out say e no go hold water at all. Then yarn this one this Friday evening sake of say the way Naija Pipo come take the yarn concerning their bitter mind and dey condemnate when e be say the yarn follow the price increment sake of say e no go down well with them. Country pipo, na here our tori for break leg for this time. We wan thank una on top the time when be say una don take the look us since, and we wan beg una say make una like, make una share, and make una still comment put for this matter when e be say we informate come knack una so. And for you when e be businessman for inside Naija, sake of say you dey sell one thing or the other, or you get service when e be say you dey give to country pipo, we wan yarn you say we get time for advertisement for inside this our TV station. So make you bracket us so that we go help you give your informate about that your product and that your service when e be say you dey give country pipo to country pipo. Remember say we get many country pipo when e be say they always watch us anytime we come knack our tori like this to them. And when you do that one, your business go come dey go siriri werere, and you go come dey get plenty money when e be say e go enter your bank aza sake of say na that one na we want make you dey always do. Until next time when e be say we go come una way again with ogbonge tori wey go don dey share at that time. My name na Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJ